No, I'm just gonna put it here. I think it's.
I'll hold it for you. Okay, so you're gonna do cross. Okay, let me just wait for me. I'm gonna show you, sister. Ne? So this is the one.
I know that one. I don't know. How many? 30.
But I'm gonna count for you, no?
I know 30, yes.
Okay. Let's go, sister. Okay, 3, 2. Yeah, this one it's good for you. This one is too light. The other one is too light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be still. So as stable as possible, ne? So be as stable as possible. Only your arms move, ne? There we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 7. Perfect. Nice one, sister. Okay. So we're gonna do some runs, no? Okay.
Lara, don't worry, ndo ya mangwana. Four legs. Just running.
Just running.
Okay.
4 times, no? But there's more. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, start. Nice. So one pace. And back. Nice. So that's 1. 3 more to go. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go. Come, push it. Give me the last 2. Go. Keep pushing. And back. Give me the last one. So that's 3. Give me the last one. Come, push yourself up the pace a bit. There we go. Nice, you see, that's what I'm talking about. Perfect. Again, so we're gonna go for the battle rope again. Okay, 30 again. Let's go. This one again. Come, sister, go for it. This one again, the big one. This is too small for you, sister Millie. Let's go. Come. Go for it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me the last 10. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna run again. Nice one. So we're gonna run again, Sister Millie. Let's go again. Nice one. Nice. Let's go. Go for it. There we go. Nice. Keep going. Back. Just be careful. So that's 1. Nice one, sister. You're doing very well. Let's go. Back. Keep going. Push yourself. Give me the last 2. Come, let's go. Back again. Just be careful. See, people are motivating you, Sister Millie. Give me the last one. The last one. That's it. Okay, back. Give me some pace. Pace up a bit. Pace up. There we go. Come, push yourself. Nice. Perfect. That's it. So now you owe me the last one. So I'm gonna give you 30 seconds break. So whilst I'm giving you a 30 seconds break, I'm just gonna show you this other one. Okay, so the third set, no? Okay. So like this. So same position. And now. Just gain 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat position. There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Let's go. 1, 2, as fast as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and set. Well done. Nice. Take a sip of water. Nice one, sister. Take a sip of water and then the last 4 legs, nah? Nice one, sister. We still have a lot of exercises to do, but so far so good, nah? So we're gonna go again, 4 laps, nah? There we go. That's the spirit. So give me the last 4. Pace up. Keep going. Nice. That's it. So that's 1. 3 more to go. Push yourself. Push, 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 push. Give me the last 2. Come. Give me your best, your best, your best. The last 2. Push. Come. Nice. I like it. Come. Push yourself. Nice. Give me the last one. As fast as you can. Eh? As fast as you can, sister. Come. Push. There we go. Back, 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 back. As fast as you can. There we go. You see. Now that's pace. That's speed. Nice one. Relax a bit. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Nah? So now we're going to switch on over to the next exercises. Okay?
Yo. Yes, it's in Rustenburg, Olin. The number on top. The number is on top. If you want to join us, the number on top.
Are you ready, sister? Okay. Okay. So let's see first your technique. So you're gonna hold, okay, a bit lower because we hold it there. So it must be same this side as well. That's it. So you face down and you push, nah? Let's go. Go for it. Nice. Activate core all the time. Push, 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 push. There we go. Nice. And back. Nice. There. Okay. Nice one. Let's go. Come, sister. There we go. Come, push yourself. Come. Pace, 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 pace. As fast as you can, eh? Nice. Perfect. There we go. So now we're gonna do some tire flips, né? Okay, just hold on. Now tire flip. Squat position.
Yo. Yes.
Let's go. So let's do some tire flips. Okay. Let's go. So remember, you squat, chest out like that, and then flip it. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Come, sister. Nice. Perfect. Nice. Keep going. Nice one, sister. Keep going. Push. Nice. Let's go. Give me the last. Give me the last one. One more. That's it. Nice. Perfect. Now we're going back. Nah? Let's go back. Come. Come, sister. You're doing very well. Let's go. Come, let's finish it. Squat and then push. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Squat, flip it. Give me some pace. Go as fast as you can. As fast as you can. Let's go. Come. Come, sister. I'm gonna give you a water break after this one. Just finish. Let's go. Yes, you see. Chest out all the time. Face up, chest out. Keep your upper body upright all the time. There we go. Come. Push, 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 push. Nice. Almost, almost, almost. Give me the last one. Give me the last one. One more, one more, one more, one more. And set. There we go. Nice, sister. Relax a bit. I'm gonna give you a minute, nah? And then you're gonna go again onto the sledge. Nice. So far, so good, eh? Yeah, you're doing very well. 30 seconds to go. So I'm timing you, and then we're gonna go again, huh? Let's do this. Okay, 20 to go. 15, 14, 13, 10, 11, 9, position yourself. 8, 7, let's go. 6, almost. 5, balance it out, balance your hands out a bit. Okay, they must be the same length, eh? There we go. 3, 2, 1, come, push, come, give me your best now, eh? Run, 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 push, 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 push. There we go. Come, 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 come. Nice. Perfect. So we're gonna go back again. And sister. As fast as you can, eh? Let's go. Come, your best. Come, pace, 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 pace. Push, 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 push. Run with it. Run, 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 run. Nice. Perfect. Nice, well done. Now tire flips again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do the tire flip, then I'm gonna give you 1 minute break again. Let's go, sister. Don't give up. Push yourself. Dig deep. Come, let's go. Come, sister. Squat. Keep an upright posture all the time. Upper body upright posture. Face up all the time. Come, sister. You can do it. That's it. Nice. Just like that. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come, sister. As fast as you can, eh? As soon as the tire lands, you pick it up. Yes, you see. But chest out, squat, use your legs all the time. Perfect. Come. Push, 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 push. That's it. Chest out. Chest out, chest out, chest out, chest out. Chest out. One more, one more. Back. Nice. Back. Now we're going back. We're going back. Nice. Come, let's go. You're doing very well. Come, sister. Okay, start. Come. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. Okay, start. Chest out. Nice. So keep your upper body. Yes, you see, that's a proper form, proper technique. Come, let's go. That's a face up, chest out all the time. As soon as the tire lands, you flip it. As soon as it lands, you flip it. Come. As fast as you can. Let's go. Come, 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 sister. Almost. You're almost there. You're almost there. Almost. You see, almost. Halfway there. Almost. Come, 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 come. Come, sister. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Push yourself. Push. Again, again, again. Give me the last one. One more. One more. One more. One more. Chest up. That's it. Perfect. Relax a bit. I'm gonna give you a minute again. Then we're gonna do the last set. Nice one. Where's your water, sister? You need water. Must I bring you? Yeah, let me bring you water. Ha. 30 seconds to go. Nice. So we're gonna go for the last set, né? I want you to give me your best, né? It's the last set. Finish strong. Pace, speed, power. Come, let's go. Go for it. Come. Let's go. Push. Run with it. Run. Let's go. Nice, perfect. And back immediately. Let's go. Come, sister. Go for it. Let's go. Immediately. Push. Come. Drive. Perfect. Immediately tire flip. Immediately. Come. Let's go. It's the last set. It's the last one. Come, sister. Go for it. It's the last one. It's the last tire flip. Let's go. Come, sister. Let's go. There we go. Nice. I like it. Come, sister. Go. Push. Squat. Nice. Let's go. Keep going. Almost. It's the last set. It's the third set, man. It's your third set. Keep going. Almost. Push. Chest out. Remember, chest out. Face up. Chest out. Don't lean forward. And walk down. Back. Going back. So the last straw, eh? Come, let's go. It's the last one. Come, sister. Doing very well. Let's go. Start. Come. There we go. As soon as it lands on the floor, you pick it up. That's it. You see. Now you're gonna work your heart rate. Remember to squat. Use your legs. Squat. Use your legs. Yes. Like that. Come. Push. One more. That's it. Nice. Perfect. Gonna give you a minute, nah? Relax a bit. So we're done with these two. So I'm gonna give you the last two exercises, nah? On the CrossFit. Just relax a bit. You're good, nah? But you're doing very well, eh? Doing very well. So I know you're strong. We're gonna do some deadlifts, nah? But with a bit of pace, okay? Just gonna show you a bit. Okay. So legs apart, and then
With those weights.
That's fine.
Yo.
Not bad, sister. You're very strong. You're very strong. If you can give me 20, I'll be happy, nah? Yeah, it's only 5. Okay? Okay, let's do this, nah? Let's do this. I'm gonna give you a bar, nah?
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a bar. Then you do it with a bar.
Yeah, yes, that one, yes.
Weighs about between 15 and 20 kilograms.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's use the barbell to get your technique right first, and then we can progress. Okay? So like that.
Yeah. Yes. That's better.
But I know this you will do. I know. Once you got the technique right, this one will be easier for you. Just feel it. You see, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay? Chest out. So you can drop the weight and up. But you hold on to it. So what I'm saying is you can just drop it on the floor because this thing is cushioned. Then up immediately. Yes, you see. Close the legs a bit, Sister Melly. There we go. Yes, come. Yes, chest out. Remember? 1. You see, I told you. 2. You're strong. 4. 5. Keep going. Push yourself. Come. 6. Chest out all the time. Let's go. Come. 8. Use your legs more. 9. Come. Give me the last 5. 5. Don't give up. Give me 5. 5. Only 5, sister. Come. Let's go. Push. Come. 1. 2. Give me the last 3. 2 more. Chest out, activate core all the time. Give me the last one. And set. Well done. Perfect. See, I told you. But you're gonna do it. Sister, I'm gonna do burpees now. I'm gonna show you burpees. 10 burpees, then I'm gonna give you a minute. So burpees, go down. Okay.
Oh.
Or you can modify what you get in time. But I don't want to see this, I don't want to see that. By the time I play, and then so this is the modified view. Alright, you see. It's a continuous movement all the time.
Ooh, hey.
Only 10, sister. Let's go. Come. Burpees. I love burpees. Burpees are the best. But I know you can do it. There we go. You see, one leg at a time. Drop the lower back. So remember when you go down, drop the lower back, slightly. Yeah. So it must be flat. So don't go up. Let's go. 1. There we go. But nice and tight on the arms. 2. Let's go. Perfect. 3. Come, sister. Don't stop. 3. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Come. Yeah, I know. Babies are hectic, but I know. Come, sister. So you're 3. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Activate core all the time. That's 4. Let's go. Push. That's it. 5. Come. Give me the last 5. Halfway there. Keep going. Give me the last 4. Push. Yes. Jump, sister. You must jump, You have to jump. Jump. Yes, like that. Keep going. Perfect. Push. Come. Give me the last 2. Only 2, sister. You can't give up left with 2. Let's go. Come, let's go. We're almost done. Only 2 sets of these 2 exercises, then we're done. Let's go. Come, push yourself. That's it. Up. Come. Jump. Give me the last one. Push. Come. Nice. Well done. I'm gonna give you a minute. Relax a bit. And then we're gonna go for the last set. So 15, 10, then we're done for the day. Nice. Did very well today, SIS MELLY. You did very well. I'm proud of you. Okay, 30 seconds to go. (20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come, pump it up. Straight arms. Remember, straight arms. Yeah, that's it. Upright, more upright. Use your legs. Squat as you go down. 3. Straight arms all the time. Let's go. Come, don't give up. 4. Let's go. 5. Nice. Yes. Come. 6. 7. Perfect. Let's go. 8. Push. 9. 6 more. Don't stop. If you stop, we start again. Come. Keep 5. Finish. Last 4. Let's go. Last 3. Push. Give me the last 2. Straight arms all the time. Nice. Give me the last one. One more. And set. So you must bend the knees a bit, Straight back, chest out. Burpees again,
This one, why will you not do it next time? The burpees, the bumpies, whatever.
Yes.
Why will you not do it next time?
No, we must do them, SIS MELLY. But it's the last one, then we're done. Only 10, then we're done. Only 10. So they're asking how many kilograms. This is about The plates alone is 10 kilograms combined, and then the barbell, that bar is between 15 and 20 kilograms. So it's quite heavy. Okay, let's go again. Huh? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Burpees again. Huh? So there we go. Nice. And up and jump. 1. Perfect. Nice. 2. Keep going. So remember, keep your back nice and tight. And don't dip too low. Keep it. Yes, there. Like that. Come. Give me the last 6. 6 more. Then we're done for the day. 6 more. Come, 6 more. Only 6. Activate core all the time. No? Let's go. There we go. Nice. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Keep going. Push, 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 push. 4 more. Nice and tight. 3 more. 3, then we're done for the day. 3. Yes, come. Push, push, push. Dig deep, dig deep. Give me the last 2. Come, let's go. Push it. Come, you can do it. Push yourself. Let's go. Give me the last one. 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. Push, push. Up, 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 up. Jump, 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 jump. There we go. Nice. Well done. Nice, Ismaili. Just walk around, just to cool down a bit. Ne? So just walk around, just to cool the heart rate a bit. Just walk around. Nice. Just cool down, just cool down, cool down, cool down. Just walk around, because you want to bring your heart rate back to normal. Well done, well done, well done. You see, it was the first time doing the deadlift, né? So it's good. I see one lady said you must bend the knees. You did very well. Your back is protected. I'm happy with the form. It was the first time, so we'll work on the form more. But it was good. Your back is fine, né?
Yeah.
That's it. Your back is fine. Okay. So now we're gonna stretch, but we're gonna end the live video.
For stretching.
Yeah.
So I must end it.
Yeah, you can end it. It's just a stretch.
How's the trainer? Good.